Hi guys, trust you're doing good. This is your friend, the Z Traveler, aka the Travel Commando, the General. That's just on a lighter note, guys. Well, anyways, I am somewhere far from Choma. I think over 60 kilometers from Choma town, and I am very near Kalomo. And right now, guys, I just wanted to show you. This side is going to Kalomo, and of course, this side is going to. In fact, sorry, this side is going to Kalomo, and then this side is going to Choma. So that's pretty much what I wanted to show you guys. And I'll be going right up ahead. I'll be going right up ahead this side to a farm, and so it'll be dirty road riding. And then I'll go inside to go and join this road, but right up ahead that side, because coming this way will be a long way again. So pretty much, enjoy the video, guys. Great, guys. So let's get on the road. Let's join this dirty road. There we go. It did rain yesterday in Choma in the early hours, and I'm not so sure about this area. But then again, even if it did, the ground was too thirsty. So whatever that might have fallen on the ground got swallowed up just as soon as it did fall on the ground. So yeah, the road is sandy. No sign of any water. As you know, guys, Zambia experienced a drought last season, and the effects of that has really been felt by this country. So we are praying that the rains get to pour and pour in good measure. Not so much sand, but dust. So yeah, I was saying this section is better than the section I'm going to go onto. So let's see how that one goes. We do have major cities in Africa, where, of course, they'll pass to be cities in Europe and, in America, name them. So, but the beauty of Africa is still in the remote parts, where you get to the bush and see stuff. And I'm being careful as I mention this because people experience Africa in different ways. Others would love the city. If you tell me, I love a bit of both. It just depends on the day. So in days like this one, we are going into the bush. Yeah. Let's go, guys. Let's go. Yeah, it looks like it's rained, guys. This section has a lot of sun, and I can see a huge chunk of it is kind of like put together, and I can tell some water dropped on it. But in any ways, I gotta be careful. to avoid that fall, you know. It's almost inevitable when the sand is totally dry. Sand and bikes are not so good friends. It did rain here. Can you see that, guys? The sand is all put together. I love that. I need to find a way to get on this other side. Oh yeah, it's much better. Another thing, guys. Hello. Another thing is that you've got cattle every now and then on your land. A number of times I almost you know, got into a cow, and as you'd have it, sand won't give you a good time if you're riding at a slow pace. So you need to be fast, and that entails you need to be watchful and just look out for the cows on the road. And a number of times, like I said, I almost got into one. You know, Southern Province is amazing, guys. A lot of cattle. And so I'm veering right and continue my journey. Let's go. Woo-hoo. Almost went down there. Let's go. Can we put some gas? Yes, we can. Woo-hoo. This is definitely better, guys. I mean, I would have showed you if it didn't rain here. So I can tell that this section, which is the sandiest, received good rains than the one I just passed. So that's good for me. Sand, guys. Am I going down? No, I don't want to. Okay. Lovely. Chimonicho. Bueno, bueno, pues. Busy, busy. Hi. Bwana nafe tizaona. All right. So I'm trying to see where I can move. And this little guy is busy looking at me. So from here, it's direct to Kalomo Town. Hello. Oh, sun. I fished. Oh my word! Did you see that, guys? Almost went down. Went down. Oh my word! That portion is crazy. I almost went down. That's why I hate sun, guys. Gives me a thrill at the same time. Kind of bittersweet. Anyways, we continue. I'm not taking my left because this road is sandy right up ahead. So this will lead me to Choma Town, to Kalomo Town. This other route, but I'm taking this one up until at a Waffles on my left. And right there, oh my, the sun is getting crazy again. Oh my, ish. Okay. Okay. Looks like there's a vehicle that passed in here. If you can see, that's all sand right there. Look at look, that's sand. Okay. Oh man, this is crazy. Oh my. So this is the shortcut. Let me see if I can go through. Oh my, it's locked. Hello. Yeah, it's locked, eh? Oh my. Okay. So guys, the route I wanted to use, it's all locked. It appears I just have to go back through the same route I came. That's a cow right there. So you just need to be mindful here in Southern Province. Otherwise, you will get in a cow. And that wouldn't be nice at all. Cheers. And this dude has horns, so I don't want to get on his bad side. You see that? So I'm trying to be as careful as I can. Oh my. Come on, buddy. Give me away already. Come on. Oh my God. So cheeky. Looks like we're gonna take the whole day here. He's a mean guy, this one. Can I take... We made it. And we are now joining the Livingston Road, and I'm turning to my left, going to Kalomo. Kalomo, Kalomo, Kalomo. Let's go. Nice. Some typical village houses here. And there is a poster, guys. Welcome to Kalomo. Welcome to Kalomo. Woohoo! Woohoo! Kalomo Town. So guys, what you're seeing on the right there, that's a new Kalomo bus station. Looks pretty good. Very modern, very nice. Clean place. Hula. So this is Kalomo. Kalomo Town. Oh, that's a post office right there. Looks quite odd and neglected. Hmm. Just, oh my. Okay, cool. Just want to make a turn right here. And let's see what, man, let's see how this area looks like. Yeah, see some shops. Okay. Kalomo. There's butter there, there's techno shops. Agro shops. So this is Kalomo. So this is Kalomo, guys. Let's try to go right at the back. Just make a round here. We'll make a 10 right at the back and then come on the other side and then we can end the video. Okay. Okay. Kalomo Town. This Kanta is smoking good. Um, oh my. Okay, let me turn right. Oh my. Sorry. To the right. Omnia cash and carry. Think I need to get a move on. Choppies, Tape, Fort Palace. Okay. Okay, guys, so there you have it. Guys, for more videos, if you have not subscribed yet, please do so. Support a brother. At once, boss. Tiliche, muliche. Yeah. Mwenzo kamba timwa? Oka Petro. Ah. Talonga, boss. Ni ozula. Inchani Petro yavuta muno. No. No. So the gentleman is just telling me that there's no petrol within the town. So, and that he was selling petrol. Can you imagine that? And that explains why there are a lot of vehicles there. But I also just want to make a stop at Gatoma. Yeah, I'm gonna turn to my left. Let me make a stop here. Let's end the video here. You know. Hello. How are you? Very well, thank you.